One moment. Good afternoon. The 14B District Court is now in session. My name is Elaine Washington, and I'm the judge that will be presiding over the session. The court will call. Are we ready to proceed, counselors?
I think so, Your Honor. I understand there's no one else in the waiting room.
There is not. We waited 15, 20 minutes to see if anyone showed up.
Thank you. Then we can call the case.
All right, thank you. The court will call the cases of Ypsilanti Township versus Tyler Stratton, case number 21T00240, as well as 18FB 1889, which is a state of Michigan case.
Paul Barnett on behalf of the township.
Laura Willenberg on behalf of the people.
Andrew Vanis with it on behalf of Mr. Stratton.
Thank you. With respect to the Ypsilanti Township case number 21T00240, we're here for a non-jury trial today.
That's correct, Your Honor. At this time, the people are not in a position to proceed.
The defense moves to dismiss.
Thank you. The defendant's motion to dismiss is granted, Mr. Stratton. What this means is that the case is going to be dismissed. It's dismissed without prejudice, meaning that if they are able to proceed at a later date, they could reauthorize this matter. You understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. With respect to case number 18FB 1889, you're before the court on a review in this matter. And it is my understanding that part of the problem has been that you have not completed your Better Choices program. I understand that you went to 2 sessions, but you still haven't paid your fees. So I'm a little confused by that, in that my understanding of the part of the reason you haven't been paying in the past was, let's see here. You've been working 16-hour days, so you're making money, but you're not paying your fees.
Yes, ma'am. As I spoke to also with my lawyer, I have a lot of bills.
I can barely hear you, sir.
Sorry about that. I'm just trying to move a little bit. Can you hear me better now?
I think you need to pull the phone closer to you.
Okay. When it comes to the money situation, I have quite a few bills over my head. Like I said, in my paperwork, I'm a single father of 3 kids. It takes a lot. I could work 18 hours a day, but I still have a lot of bills. My plan is to pay my debt off with the courts and also Michael Brown, but I can only do it at small amounts at a time. So I have to keep a roof over my head and.
I think we had this conversation when you were here last time. When I indicated to you that if you went to jail, you would probably lose that job. Do you remember that?
Yes, I do.
And I don't see that you've taken that seriously at all.
Because of the money situation, or?
Because you still haven't paid to get back into the Better Choices classes.
I've made a small payment to him, but he's not giving me credit for the classes until I'm paid in full.
How much did you pay?
I paid $25 the last time that I was in my class, and then before that I paid other $25 a class. But I have an outstanding balance of, I think it's $280 or $300, somewhere around there.
Sir, how much do you make per hour?
Per hour,
Yes.
I make $15 an hour right now. I've had 3 different jobs in the past year of my life, so.
Tyler, I didn't ask you this, but what's your rent? And you have your 3 kids live with you, is that right?
On and off, yes. They are half time at their mother's, half time with me.
And so you were able to participate in 2 classes? Is that
Yeah.
since the last court hearing?
Yes. He is allowing me to participate, but he is not giving me actual credit for the class. You know, when it comes to the court, he's not giving me credit until my debt is paid in full.
Mr. Stratton, I'm going to be very clear with you. You need to pay the $200
Okay?
by the next time I see you and get back into those classes. If you're not, if that hasn't been done, you're going to do 10 days in jail.
That is understood.
August 24th. August 24th, 2021.
Okay.
At 10 a.m. I'm writing in here, just like I wrote last time, told if Better Choices classes are not done, you would go to jail. The only reason you're not going to jail today is because you're representing to this court that you at least did 2 of those classes, whether you're getting credit or not. If you hadn't done any, you would be going to jail. I'd be sentencing you to jail. If you have not paid that money and you come back here on the 27th and you're not in those classes getting credit for them, I am going to send you to jail for 10 days.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Thank you, sir. I'll see you back here then.
Thank you.
All right, we're all set. Thank you very much.
Thank you.